In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a PDF within Notion. By the end, you'll have your PDF sitting neatly inside your Notion page, ready to view and reference without leaving your workspace. To follow along, have the Notion page open where you want the PDF to live, and make sure the PDF file is saved on your computer so it's easy to find. Start by looking to the top right corner of your Notion page. You'll see a small icon with 3 dots. This is the page menu, and it's where Notion keeps a lot of useful actions related to the page you're on. Go ahead and click those 3 dots. Don't worry, opening this menu won't change anything on your page. It simply reveals options that help you manage and bring content into Notion. In the menu that appears, look for the option labeled Import and click it. Import is Notion's built-in way to bring external files into your workspace, including PDFs. Choosing Import tells Notion you want to upload a file and place it directly on the page you're viewing, so everything stays organized in one spot. Next, you'll be prompted to choose a file from your device. Click the button that says Choose a File. This opens your computer's file picker. Take a moment here to navigate to the folder where your PDF is saved. A quick tip: check the file name and, if helpful, preview it on your computer first to make sure you're selecting the correct document. If your workspace has upload limits, it's also a good idea to confirm that the file size isn't unusually large, as bigger PDFs may take longer to upload. Now, select the PDF file you have and confirm. Notion will begin uploading it to your page. You might see a brief progress indicator. The time it takes depends on your internet speed and the size of the PDF. Once the upload finishes, Notion will display the PDF as a block right on your page. You'll be able to click into it to view, scroll through pages, and keep reading without downloading anything. If your page is content heavy, you can place your cursor before or after the block to continue writing notes or context around the PDF so it fits naturally with your other information. If you don't see the import option, make sure you have edit permissions on the page. On mobile, these menus may look slightly different, but the flow is the same. Open the page menu, choose Import, select your file, and let it upload. That's it. Your PDF is now embedded in Notion and ready to use.